welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Grace, and today we are going to talk about my evening routine.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Grace.
Hi, Ethan.
How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
That is wonderful.
Grace, do you like the evening?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like the evening?
Because it is quiet and relaxing.
I like the evening because I can spend time with my family.
Family time is very important.
I agree.
What time does your evening usually start?
My evening usually starts at 6 o'clock.
What do you do first?
I go home from work.
Do you walk home?
Sometimes, but I usually drive home.
How long does it take?
About 30 minutes.
What do you do when you arrive home?
I take off my shoes and say hello to my family.
That is a nice habit.
Thank you.
Do you change your clothes?
Yes, I change into comfortable clothes.
What do you do after that?
I wash my hands and my face.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I usually take a warm shower.
Does it help you relax?
Yes, it makes me feel fresh.
That sounds wonderful.
What about your evening routine?
I come home from school at about 5 o'clock.
What do you do first?
I put my school bag in my room.
Then what do you do?
I wash my hands and drink a glass of water.
That is healthy.
Yes, drinking water is important.
Do you feel tired after school?
Sometimes I do.
How do you relax?
I sit on the sofa and listen to soft music.
How long do you listen to music?
About 20 minutes.
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm and relaxing music.
I like that kind of music too.
It helps me feel peaceful.
Do you use your phone during the evening?
Yes, but not for a long time.
What do you usually do on your phone?
I read messages from my friends.
Do you watch videos?
Sometimes I watch short English learning videos.
That is a great way to practice English.
Yes, I learn many new words.
Do you talk with your family every evening?
Yes, we always talk about our day.
What do you usually talk about?
We talk about school, work, and our plans for tomorrow.
That sounds like a happy family.
Thank you. We enjoy spending time together.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
Today's first word is evening.
Evening is the time between afternoon and night.
Example, I relax in the evening.
Our next word is routine.
A routine is something you do regularly.
Example, my evening routine starts at 6 o'clock.
Another useful word is relax.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Example, I relax after work.
Our next word is comfortable.
Comfortable means feeling relaxed and at ease.
Example, I wear comfortable clothes at home.
The last word is fresh.
Fresh means clean and full of energy.
Example, I feel fresh after a shower.
Now let's study grammar.
Today, we will learn the present simple tense.
We use the present simple to talk about daily routines and habits.
Example, I go home at 6 o'clock.
Example, she washes her hands before dinner.
Example, we eat together every evening.
Example, he listens to music after work.
We often use time words like every day, usually, and always.
Let's practice.
I usually take a shower in the evening.
I always drink water after school.
We often talk during dinner.
My family always eats together.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Evening,
Evening.
routine,
Routine.
relax,
Relax.
comfortable,
Comfortable.
fresh.
Fresh.
Very good.
Practice these words every day.
They will help you talk about your daily life in English.
What about you, everyone?
What do you usually do in the evening?
Please write your answer in the comments below.
We would love to read your comments.
Let's continue our conversation in part 2.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about my evening routine.
Yes, I am happy to continue.
Grace, what do you usually do after you relax?
I usually help my mother prepare dinner.
That is very kind.
Thank you. I like helping my family.
What do you usually cook?
We often cook rice, chicken, vegetables, and soup.
That sounds delicious.
It is always a healthy meal.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, cooking is fun.
What is your favorite food to cook?
I like making fried rice.
Is it easy to make?
Yes, it is simple and tasty.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
My family usually eats dinner at 7 o'clock.
Does everyone eat together?
Yes, we always eat together.
I think family dinners are important.
I agree.
What do you talk about during dinner?
We talk about our day.
Do you tell funny stories?
Yes, sometimes my father tells funny jokes.
That must make everyone laugh.
Yes, we laugh a lot.
What do you do after dinner?
I help wash the dishes.
Do you wash all the dishes?
My mother washes some, and I wash the rest.
Teamwork is wonderful.
Yes, it makes the work easier.
Do you clean the kitchen too?
Yes, we clean the table and the kitchen together.
What do you do after everything is clean?
I usually go for a short walk.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes. Sometimes I walk with my sister.
How long is your walk?
About 20 minutes.
What do you see during your walk?
I see trees, flowers, and many people walking.
Is the weather nice in the evening?
Yes, it is usually cool and comfortable.
That sounds relaxing.
It helps me feel calm.
What do you do when you come home?
I sit on the sofa and read a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple English storybooks
Why do you like them?
because they help me improve my English.
That is a great habit.
Thank you.
Do you watch television?
Yes, I usually watch television for about 30 minutes.
What do you like to watch?
I like nature shows and English cartoons.
English cartoons are good for beginners.
Yes, they use simple words.
Do you study English every evening?
Yes, I study for about 1 hour.
What do you practice?
I practice speaking, reading, and listening.
Do you learn new vocabulary?
Yes, I learn 5 new words every day.
That is an excellent goal.
Small steps help me improve.
I completely agree.
Practice every day is very important.
Let's learn more English together.
Great!
Today's first word is dinner.
Dinner is the main meal in the evening.
Example, my family eats dinner together every night.
Our next word is kitchen.
A kitchen is the room where we cook food.
Example, my mother is cooking in the kitchen.
Another useful word is dishes.
Dishes are the plates, bowls, cups, and spoons we use for meals.
Example, I wash the dishes after dinner.
The next word is walk.
A walk is a short trip on foot.
Example, I take a walk every evening.
Our last word is improve.
Improve means to become better.
Example, I practice English to improve my speaking.
Now let's study grammar.
Today, we will learn frequency adverbs. We use them to talk about how often we do something. The most common frequency adverbs are always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. Example, I always eat dinner with my family. Example, I usually read a book in the evening. Example, I often take a walk after dinner. Example, I sometimes watch television. Example, I never skip dinner. Let's practice. I always brush my teeth before bed. I usually study English after dinner. We often talk together in the evening. My family sometimes watches a movie. I never forget to prepare for tomorrow.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation. Dinner,
Dinner,
kitchen,
kitchen,
improve,
improve,
always,
always,
usually.
usually.
Wonderful! Keep practicing these words every day.
They will help you talk about your evening routine in English. Let's continue our conversation in part 3, where we will talk about getting ready for bed, review more useful English, and practice speaking together.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue our conversation about my evening routine.
Yes, I am excited to continue. Grace, what do you usually do after you finish studying? I usually prepare my school bag for the next day.
That is a good habit.
Thank you. It helps me save time in the morning.
What do you put in your school bag?
I put my books, notebooks, pencils, and water bottle inside.
Do you check your homework?
Yes, I always check my homework before I go to bed.
That is very responsible.
Thank you.
Do you prepare your clothes for tomorrow?
Yes, I choose my clothes before bedtime.
That makes the morning easier.
Yes, I do not need to hurry.
Do you brush your teeth after dinner?
Yes, I brush my teeth before I go to bed.
How long do you brush your teeth?
About 2 minutes.
That is very good.
My dentist says it is important.
Do you wash your face too?
Yes, I wash my face every night.
Then what do you do?
I change into my pajamas.
Are your pajamas comfortable?
Yes, they are soft and comfortable.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I usually read for about 15 minutes.
What kind of books do you read?
I like short English stories
Why do you read English books?
because they help me learn new words and improve my reading.
That is a wonderful habit.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music before bed?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft piano music.
Does it help you sleep?
Yes, it helps me relax.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Yes, most nights I do.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually sleep for about 8 hours.
8 hours of sleep is healthy.
Yes, good sleep gives me more energy.
What do you do before you turn off the light?
I say goodnight to my family.
That is very kind.
Then I say a short prayer and close my eyes.
That sounds peaceful.
It helps me feel thankful for the day.
Do you think having an evening routine is important?
Yes, a good routine helps me stay healthy and organized.
I agree completely.
Doing the same good habits every evening makes life easier.
Let's learn more English together.
Great idea.
Today's first word is pajamas.
Pajamas are the clothes you wear when you sleep.
Example, I put on my pajamas before bed.
Our next word is bedtime.
Bedtime is the time when you go to bed. Example, my bedtime is 10 o'clock. Another useful word is prepare. Prepare means to get something ready. Example, I prepare my school bag every evening. The next word is energy. Energy means the strength to work or do activities. Example, good sleep gives me more energy. Our last word is organized. Organized means keeping things neat and in the right place. Example, my desk is organized before I study. Now let's study grammar. Today, we will learn time expressions.
Time expressions tell us when something happens.
We often use before, after, then, next, and finally.
Example, I wash my hands before dinner.
Example, I study English after dinner.
Example, then I brush my teeth.
Example, next, I prepare my clothes.
Example, finally, I go to bed.
Let's practice together.
First, I eat dinner.
Next, I wash the dishes.
Then, I study English.
After that, I brush my teeth.
Finally, I go to bed.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Bedtime.
Bedtime.
Prepare.
Prepare.
Energy.
Energy.
Organized.
Organized.
Very good.
Repeat these words every day.
They will help you talk about your daily routine in English.
Practice speaking a little every day, and your English will improve.
We are almost finished with today's lesson.
In Part 4, we will review today's vocabulary and grammar, practice one final conversation, ask you a question, and say goodbye.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us today.
See you in Part 4.